Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Elevate your home decor with modern trends. Begin in the heart of your house. The dining room, embracing trending dining room design ideas, infuses your space with contemporary flair and timeless elegance. Opt for sleek, minimalist furniture pieces paired with bold statement lighting fixtures to create a striking visual contrast. Incorporating natural elements such as wood essence or indoor plants brings warmth and a sense of tranquility to the room. Experiment with mixing different textures from material to add depth and visual interest to your dining area. Considering opting for a neutral color palette with pops of vibrant issues to create a modern yet inviting atmosphere. Don't shy away from incorporating geometric patterns or abstract artwork to infuse your space with personality and charm. Additionally, investing in multifunctional furniture pieces allows you to maximize space and functionality with comprising your style, whether you're hosting or a formal dinner party or enjoying a casual family meal. Implementing trendy dining room design ideas ensures that your space remains both stylish and functional for years to come. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Design channel.